Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to use the graphics library in Snappa. To use the graphics library in Snappa, follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your account and open the project you want to edit. I'm just going to use a template from here. On the left hand menu, click on the graphics tab. This will open Snappa's graphic library, which includes icons, shapes, and other elements you can add to your design. You can browse the available graphics by scrolling or use the search bar to find specific item by keyword. Snappa library includes icons, patterns, and other graphics elements to help you create more engaging design. Once you find the graphic you want, click on it to add it to your canvas. The graphic will appear in the center of a design, and you can drag it to position it wherever you like. Select the graphic on the canvas, and the opacity option will appear. You can decrease its opacity by sliding the slider, and you can also rotate or flip. You can add multiple graphics to create a layered effect. For example, use icons for visual interest, shape for background, or line to separate section of a design. Preview your design to make sure all graphics look balanced and cohesive with the overall design. When you are happy with the final look, download or save your design in Snappa for future use. By following these steps, you can effectively use Snappa graphic library to create eye-catching and professional quality design. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.